How to fix an internal error has occurred. Error for remote desktop connection. 1. Disable reconnect if the connection is dropped. 2. Turn off any VPN connections. 3. Leave and rejoin a domain. 4. Enable system cryptography, use FIPS-compliant algorithms for encryption, hashing, and signing at local policies / security in the local security policy utility. 5. Change MTU value via TCP optimizer tool. 6. Disable network level authentication. To do so, uncheck allow connections only from computers running remote desktop with network level authentication in remote desktop subsettings.